SAP tables, yes, SAP tables. Wait, let me go here. Let me add another row and one row below. Yeah, SE16. Yes. Now, what are SAP tables? What are SAP tables? Let's go. Okay, what are SAP tables? Yes. Alekia, read.
What are SAP tables in SAP FICO? SAP stores all financial data in database tables. As a FICO consultant, you should know the most important ones, table and
No, wait,
purposes.
wait, 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 wait,
BKPF.
wait. Alekia, wait. SAP stores all
Okay.
financial data in database tables. Yes, database tables में. So ये database layer जो है वो सारा कुछ सब SAP का सारा डेटा टेबल फॉर्म में होता है पूरा डेटाबेस में. As FICO consultant, you should know the most important ones. Just tell me one thing. Everybody is comfortable in Hindi and English both, right?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Only
yes.
in English.
No,
Oh,
sir, only English.
okay, Sanika is only in English. Who else?
I am, sir.
Alek. Okay,
Only
okay,
in
sorry.
English.
Okay, okay, okay. So SAP stores all financial data and database labels. बाकी सब इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल है ना? Everybody else is comfortable in English. Rest others?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
No issue.
So SAP stores all financial data and database tables. See, there are different kinds of tables in SAP. So whatever there are so many tables are there. See, anything you want to see, you can search in the form of tables. Now let's say accounting document header. You want to see. It is the table is BKPF. Yes, if you want to see accounting document line items BSEG. If you want to see GL account master chart of accounts level SKA1. So let's say SKA1 we will enter. Where should we enter the table? First we have to go to slash n matlab go back. Slash n matlab go back. Yes, you can if you are in FB60. If you are in FB60 and you want to open another new tab, so you can click new GUI window. दिख रहा है the new GUI window? Yes or no? Click on new GUI window. Yes, you can go here SE. You have to buy a new keyboard. SE16N. SE16N. Very important T code to search all the tables. Remember this. SE16N. Take a photo of this, everyone. Enter. Now you can enter the table here. Table name. Can you see? Here right side में कुछ नहीं है. SKA1. Enter. Can you see GL account master data? SKA1 table. And now execute. Click on execute. Can you see all the backend का data यहाँ पर आ जाता है. चार्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स क्या है, जीएल अकाउंट क्या है, ये सुनो अकाउंट ग्रुप क्या है, शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट क्या है, राइट दिस यू कैन स्क्रॉल ऑन द राइट आल्सो एंड यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग. ये सुनो all the data you can see here. Everyone getting it how to see the data, whatever is there in the system. Like that you can go to KNA1 and so many other. Yes, let's go one more. BKPF BSEG. We'll go to BKPF. Yes, BKPF execute. Can you see all the headers? Company code, document number, year, document type, document date, posting date, all the data of all the documents. Can you see here? Yes or no? Clear everyone how to see the data?
Yes.
You can go to again another table MSEG, MSEG, document data material. यहाँ पर जाएंगे execute. You can go to the material document. Yes, material document here, the material number, plant, storage location, supplier, currency. Everything you can see. Yes or no? If you want to search something specific, go to the folder or go to the filter here. Yes, filter, and you can search specific something also. Clear, everyone? So now what is your assignment for today? Okay, I will just make sure. Yes. First, before that, I want someone to read this. Okay. Indumati, can you read what is SE16N?
Yes. Uh, One second. SC16N General Table Display. It is a transaction code used to display data stored in SAP tables. Consultant use it daily for troubleshooting, support tickets, testing, and verifying posting. Example: enter vendor master, enter SE16N, table name LFA1, execute, which is F8, then view vendor master record.
Okay, stop. So
Mhm.
SE16N is general table display. It is a transaction code used to display data stored in SAP tables. Consultant use it daily for troubleshooting, support tickets, testing, and verifying postings. Clear, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Now, if you go down, interview answer. Yes, this is an interview answer. What is SE16N? Yes. Ashutosh, read this.
SE16N is a SAP transaction used to display and analyze table data. As a FICO consultant, I commonly use tables such as a BKPF, document header, BSEG, line item, ACDOCA, universal journal, SKA1/SKB1, GL master, LFA1 vendor master, KNA1 customer master, and REGUH/REGUP payment program data. SC16N helps to troubleshooting, validate, and reporting activities.
आगे पढ़ो.
For FICO interviews, the first table to memorize are BKPF, BSEG, ACDOCA, SKA1, SKB1, LFA1, KNA1, KNLA, REGUH, REGUP.
Okay. So I'm going to copy this. Control C. I'll go here. This is our batch, right? I'll go to teaching sheet. Yes, teaching sheet. I'll go here, rename it SE16N, and then I will paste it here. So I'll just 1 second. Yes, all right. I want this. 1 second. Okay, if you click on it, you can see it properly. Okay. So basically, your assignment now is go to SE16N and check all these tables for today. Okay. BKPF, BSEG, ACDOC, SK1, SKB1, LFA1, KNA1, ANLA, REGS, REGUP. Will you be able to do this for today? Everyone SE16N में जाना है and check the tables. What do you see there? And you will tell me tomorrow. Okay.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any questions for today? Anybody has not understood anything, anybody has any doubts, anybody wants to complain, anybody wants to tell me something, anybody has anything in their minds, please tell me. Okay. No, then thank you very much, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, everyone?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes.
Actually, I don't have any question regarding the session, but in demo class you have mentioned that you would give the access for the SAP S/4HANA textbooks, right? Would you give it?
Say that again, Sanika. I'm not able to hear you.
Actually, in demo class you have been told that you would give the access for textbook like SAP S/4HANA textbook part.
Correct. Yes. That I will give you later
Yeah,
when we start, no? When we start properly practicals, no? Then I will start explaining
yeah,
from the book also. That time I will give you the access. Yes?
sure, sir.
Yes.
I wanted
Right.
to just
Yes.
check on.
Yes, I will give you. Don't worry, Sani. I will provide all the necessary materials which are required. Okay. Just remind me once we start the practicals. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yes, I think we will start practicals from tomorrow. So just remind me tomorrow, I will give you the access. Okay.
Sure, sir. I'll
Okay.
remind you.
Any questions? Any other questions? Okay, if no questions, thank you
No,
very
sir.
much. See you tomorrow at
No.
10 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.